What's the meaning of big band? Big band. Big band.
Big band. Big band. A big band is a type of musical ensemble that typically consists of 10 or more musicians playing a variety of wind and percussion instruments, such as saxophones, trumpets, trombones, and drums. Big bands first emerged in the United States during the 1920s and 1930s and quickly became popular due to their energetic and upbeat sound. They were often associated with swing music, a genre characterized by its rhythmic drive and improvisational style. While big bands declined in popularity following World War II, they continue to be celebrated for their lively performances and important contributions to the development of American music.